With Troops, you can bring your existing Salesforce reports into Slack. Schedule them to automatically run in channels or send to individuals, and pull them up in any channel on command using /troops-report. To set up a report, start by clicking the Create New Workflow button. Then click Report. To start, use this drop-down to select the existing Salesforce report you want to use in Slack. It is important to know that the only reports you have access to in Troops are those you have access to in Salesforce. Next, choose a schedule for your report. Reports can be sent out in Slack automatically based on the schedule of your choosing. Take note that the time you choose is based on your set time zone preference. Your time zone can be set up on your account settings page. If you choose not to schedule your report by selecting the X next to the date time selector, you can still access the report by using /troops-report, then hitting enter in any channel. This will let you pull up any report ad hoc. If you've chosen to schedule the report, you need to choose where in Slack this report will be sent. Note that you can send reports to both channels and individual team members. Want the report to be sent to a private channel? Make sure to invite TroopsBot as a member of the channel before configuring your report. Once doing so, you'll be able to select the channel and set up. You're all set. Send away.